So when making the switch from gas to electric, there's a few things that you need to consider. One is obviously runtime. That's a big question that we get in the electric outboard world. Will the runtime of an electric outboard match that of gasoline? And in all honesty, it won't. That's one of the things that you need to take into consideration going to electric, is that you do have runtime that is limited by your battery capacity. However, in terms of cost and efficiency and long-term use, a battery far outweighs the usage of gasoline in most smaller motor applications. So when choosing to go electric, a few of the positives, especially for older gentlemen or people that just really don't want to deal with the hassle of a heavy, messy outboard, is the electric. There's no gas, there's no oil. You don't need to worry about setting it down in the back of your truck and gas leaking out of the carburetors or the fuel injectors, but also it's lightweight. Now, obviously the Navy 6.0 Evo is a more heavy-duty platform. The Spirit 1.0 Plus only weighs 46 pounds. So in comparison to your 9.9 or your 15 horsepower motors, it's a lot more portable, and the battery actually only weighs 19 pounds, so you can separate the two, make it even lighter between carrying from the dock to your boat or from the truck to the boat ramp, things like that. Makes life a lot easier. It's also plug and play. There's no pull starting, there's no nasty carburetors, cold starting, those issues pretty much go out the door when you go to electric. It's plug and play. You charge it just like you would your cell phone. You plug it in, turn the throttle on, and off you go down the lake.